Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. It is a very purpley look, and I think I have a look similar to this, but I wanted to use only e.l.f. products, and I got this cream liner as a base, and oh, the name is Punk Purple. So I used this cream liner as my base, and I used this kit. I used these two, but I used this one to do my glow, like my my inner tear duct glow, and this is beautiful browns, and then I used party purple mostly for this look. I also went in and I did, you see my glow, are you guys seeing it? Is it popping or not? Popping or not? I used this right here, and this is called St. Lucia, and okay, let me just pop those somewhere. You guys know how I am with that, bring it come with the glow there, you know. It's just, look at that, it's just my thing. So yeah, I have that on my, for my glow, and then for my blush and also for my eyes I used dark, and this is their blush palette, and it's just, it says dark on the back, so I assume it's their blush palette in dark. These are my colors, these are my kind of colors. That's yes ma'am, yes honey, yes. And for my liquid liner, my dramatic wing liner that you guys are seeing here, I used their precision liquid liner, and it's in black, and I used where's the other one? I used two brushes specifically from e.l.f. for my eyes, and then I used this one here. This is their flawless concealer brush, and I use it to low light today. Yeah, so that's everything. No, that's most things that I use. For my lips, I am wearing Praline, and it's giving me that dark look, and over Praline I am wearing Pink Lemonade, and this is their luscious liquid lipstick, and Praline is their e.l.f. matte lip color. So yeah, so that's basically everything that I have on my eyes, and I set my face with my e.l.f. mist and set. Now I do think that these products are amazing if you want to go inexpensive but you still want an amazing eye look. As you can see, it's an amazing eye look. I did a little semi-cut crease right here, which you guys will see in the video, but it's an amazing look, very bold, very dramatic, very in your face. I love how this came out. I just don't like my lips. It's too dark for me. It's too dark for me. Oh, here's the other brush, the other small brush. It's too dark for me, so I'm just going to lighten my lips using this Essence Forget It cover stick pencil in the middle. Yeah. Yes ma'am. Let me go over with the Praline just on the perimeter. Yes, yeah, I'm loving how this looks now. I love it. So this is the look for today. I'm sorry for this long intro, but please do enjoy the video. I don't think I'll be doing a voiceover. I'm just going to let the music play. But that's it. Oh, look at me, I'm sweating. But that's it for this intro, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother for me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like me stuck in a traffic and me way behind cars.
searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, 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 yeah. Free on me, free on me to be. I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother fi live in a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camp a pray. Like say them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. Me freed up the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like them is stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say, free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say only for stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now I wanna be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free.
The lashes I'm wearing are my Puma lashes, and they're in Baby You're a Rock Star. So they're in Rockstar. These are the lashes I'm wearing. I'm sweating. Can you see that? It's hot in this room. These lights are hot. The fan is not in here. But this is what the packet the lashes came in, clearly. And yeah, so I'm wearing Rockstar lashes by Puma by Lyric, and everything that I used on my eyes can also be found at FontanaPharmacy.com or any Fontana Pharmacy store that's nearby you. Bye guys.